Okay, here is Gwen and Dante's litter. Got one seeker over here. Come on, you. Let me get up. Come on here and play. I can see you. Come on. Oh, you got a full belly. You ate too much, huh? Did you eat too much? He was napping. That's a little black and white female. Well, they're pretty hard to get on video these days. Yes, you are. You make it tough. But there they are. Everybody's doing great. They're in the big room, having a good time. So I can get ahead of them here. You guys are getting fast. Anyway, there they are.